right, you guys, I'm ready to jump into the kitchen and start cooking. Here, hoping to slow me down, is Chef Scott Conant and actress Perry Reeves. Perry's a great actress. I actually played a guy who was trying to court her on Entourage. You know, I'm a little nervous today, Scott.
Why is that?
Got my TV girlfriend here.
You were great in Entourage.
I saw that little episode, and I'm just here to hold the candle.
We were hoping you would make us a little pasta with black truffles.
I mean, I'm happy to. Let's all, like, go in the other room and let them talk.
You're a third wheel.
Perry, you've not been here before.
This is my first time, and, well, there's a special reason why.
What's that?
I'm a vegetarian, and what a wonderful opportunity to come in and take all the meat out of your kitchen.
What?
And challenge you to make me an incredible meal.
Wow.
No stocks, broths, chicken, fish, meat.
You're going down, my brother.
Let's get to it.
Our first contender has cooked in over 40 countries. From Boston, Chef Pankaj Pradhan.
Oh, wow. She cooks for some of the biggest names in Hollywood. From Los Angeles, private chef, Vikki Krinsky.
What's up, guys? You know what the goal is. You're gonna take me down. First, you must go through each other. You guys are gonna have 20 minutes to make an ingredient of my choice the star of your dish. In honor of my vegetarian guest, the ingredient is silken tofu.
It's quite mild in flavor, so it's easy to manipulate.
Are you happy about this?
I am.
How about you?
I am.
Really?
Ooh.
I cook with silken tofu every day. I got this.
Perry and Scott will taste, and they'll decide which one of you goes up against me. 20 minutes on the clock, go.
Today I'm making a crepe with a vanilla tofu espuma, spiced apples, and roasted hazelnuts.
So I am making sweet and spicy tofu stir fry with bib lettuce, pecan basil pesto, and maple balsamic reduction.
Perry, you and I, we're gonna beat Bobby.
Yeah, we are.
Right there. There he is.
Pankaj, what are you doing right now?
Pesto with pecans and basil.
Oh, nice. You're worried about your competition over there?
Obviously, look at me.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
5 minutes left. You know, we got such different meals being prepared, but I think one of them could beat you, Bobby.
It smells really good over here.
Thank you. I scoop the stir fry inside the bib lettuce and then pesto and balsamic reduction.
Not now, Bobby, not now.
Coming up in a minute to go.
I foam out the vanilla tofu, top it off with apples and hazelnuts.
10, 9, 8,
Oh, my goodness.
6, 5. Getting on the plate, brother. 2, 1.
My dish has more flavor. I am confident that I'm going to win.
He just did a lettuce cup. My dish, it's a little more risky. I think I got this. It's all right, it's lettuce.
Scott and I are here to pick the one that we most believe can take down Bobby Flay.
Pankaj, what'd you make, chef?
I made sweet and spicy tofu stir fry over bib lettuce, drizzled with maple balsamic reduction.
The tofu picked up the sweetness of the garlic and the shallots, adding great flavors to it.
Thank you.
But this reduction is really over-reduced. It's more like a caramel.
I love the concept, lettuce cup, but you really couldn't pick it up. It's just a little mushy. But what I think you've done so beautifully here is to marry the walnuts, apricots, and the tofu with the spices. It's delightful.
Thank you.
So, Chef Vikki, what did you prepare for us today?
I made a rustic crepe with spiced apple and a vanilla tofu espuma with roasted hazelnuts.
Should I take this personally, that she has a giant portion and I have a little tiny bit?
Yes, you should.
Maybe look into it, but don't judge that.
The flavor's delicious. The lightness of the tofu is nice. It's not too sweet, but my main flavor is apple, and I'm missing the tofu a bit.
To Perry's point, the one thing that I'm not getting a lot of is the tofu here. But great textures with the crepe. The apples are cooked beautifully. Both of you created something really special.
It's a tough one.
I'm really impressed by the creativity they both brought to the tofu. I'm starting to sweat a little bit about round two.
The chef that is going to be moving forward is Pankaj.
I'm so competitive. I can't believe I didn't win. But I gave it my all, and I think I still showed what I got.
Good job.
Pankaj, it was complex, but not distracting.
Cooking vegetarian is something that you're an expert at, and it's not Bobby's expertise. Just go for it.
Thank you.
Congratulations, you made it
Thank
through
you.
round 1. What about round 2?
I got it, man.
Punch out and go home, Bobby.
What's your signature dish?
My signature dish will be stuffed peppers.
All right.
We're following your rules tonight.
No meat today.
So vegetarian stuffed peppers. Okay.
Unfortunately, Scott and I cannot be the judges.
3 experts are standing by to do a blind taste test.
Your 45 minutes starts now.
I just feel behind because stuffing the peppers, especially when they're hot, it's a little awkward, and then sew them with a skewer. Then I put the pepper into the rice flour batter, then into the cornmeal, and into the fryer. Rice flour creates a very light crust, which I want because I really want to taste the pepper.
Bobby, are you testing one?
No, I don't have time to test it.
Pankaj, how you feeling, brother?
Good.
You ready to beat Bobby Flay, chef?
I am.
Under 2 minutes, chef.
I brush on my red peppers, chipotle sauce, stack my peppers, then granola on top.
Chef, are you sure those peppers are cooked enough?
Yes.
All right.
I put the sauce down, then the pepper, then some crispy fried Brussels sprouts, and then some fresh cilantro. Done.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So Pankaj has basically an entire meal stuffed into his peppers, but I know the filling that I do have tastes good. I'm certainly hoping less is more.
Typical Bobby, just frying a pepper. I think my plate is much better.
Good God, that's nerve-wracking. Bobby, Pankaj, I'd like to introduce you to your judges. The chef and restaurateur of MJS Restaurants, Michael Schulzen.
Thank you.
Author, nutritionist, and healthy cooking expert, Carrie Glassman. And the chef and owner of Patsy's Italian Restaurant, Sal Scognamillo.
Judges, please start with the first plate in front of you.
I really like the cornmeal crusting on the outside. It gives it a nice texture. The goat cheese does give a nice balance to a little bit of hotness to it.
You have that earthiness with the Brussels sprouts, the smokiness and the heat in the sauce. Really nice job.
I loved the spice of the sauce in contrast to the goat cheese on the inside. Only thing about this filling, I want something more than just cheese. So maybe a little more mushrooms or grain in there would have made it feel like a whole meal.
All right, judges, if you could please switch your plates.
The pepper was cooked just right. I like the couscous in there, although I thought it needed some salt to bring out the flavor of the couscous.
I really liked the squash, the couscous, the goat cheese. The only thing that didn't work with this dish was the stuffing was lacking that kick. It was just a little flat.
In terms of executing the technique, is really impressive. That being said, it was all sweet goat cheese, squash. The sun-dried tomato is very sweet.
So, judges, it's time to take a vote.
I'm shocked to hear that it was too sweet. I thought my dish was perfect.
I may have understuffed my peppers, but I think the flavors and textures really worked. If I can eke out a win, it will prove that I can actually cook some vegetarian food.
Judges have voted.
And the winner is Bobby Flay.
I chose you, Bobby, because of your excellence in balancing the flavors.
Thank you
But
very
you
much.
both did a great job.
Thanks.
Thank you. Even though I didn't beat Bobby, I'm extremely proud of my vegetarian cooking, and I still proved that I am forced to be reckoned with.